Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning NFC on so the phone can read tags. Open Settings, then Connected Devices, choose Connection Preferences, and toggle NFC. Once done, make sure your quick settings tile is visible. Pull down twice and tap the NFC icon for faster use later. Remove any thick metal or magnetic cases. These block the antenna. You do this first because the hardware must be active before any app or payment flow will detect nearby tags or devices, so don't skip it. With NFC enabled, you now learn how to read and act on tags. Hold the back center of your Pixel 7 close to the tag. Contact isn't required, but alignment and distance matter. Once the phone detects the tag, an app prompt or notification appears. Tap it to open the action and follow on-screen prompts. Make sure the app has the permissions it asks for. Some flows request storage or nearby devices. If you want transfers, accept the prompt quickly, because sessions time out after a few seconds. Finish by configuring payments or automation. Set your default tap-to-pay app in Google or Wallet settings so transactions route correctly. If a tag or payment fails, toggle NFC off and on, or reboot the Pixel 7. This clears the radio stack. If problems persist, remove the case and test with a known working tag to isolate interference. One key troubleshooting tip: update your system and Google Play services, because outdated firmware often causes NFC detection issues and fixes most stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.